Continuous delivery is an automated process of delivering code changes to servers quickly and efficiently at an enormous pace. Hi, my name is Imran. I'll be glad to explain you the continuous delivery process. Continuous delivery is the extension of continuous integration. If you have not seen my previous video on continuous integration, I recommend you watch it before you continue. Wow, that's too many continuous in one sentence. Let's dig in. We have seen continuous integration is automation of our code build and test. Developers' any code commit will be automatically built and tested. If everything is good, the artifact generated from this process will be stored in software repositories. The goal of CI is to detect defects at very early stage so it does not multiply. Ops team will get regular requests to deploy the artifacts generated from the CI process on servers for further testing. Ops team, with all the info they got, deploy the artifacts to the servers. At times, the deployment also fails, which leads to higher lead time. Dev and Ops team needs to work together to fix such deployment failures, and this happens on and off. We have to understand that in agile development there will be regular code changes which needs to be deployed on servers for further testing. Deployment is not just about shipping the software to the servers. It's more than that. A deployment could mean also server provisioning, installing dependencies on servers, configuration changes, network or firewall rules changes, and then deploy the artifact to the server. And there could be many more things. Ops team will be flooded with such requests as CI process will generate build faster and regularly. After the manual deployment, information will be sent to the QA team for testing. After conducting testing, QA team will send the information back. There is too much of human intervention and manual approval in this process. So as this Terminator says, automate it and save your time and also failures. Any and every step in deployment should be automated. There are a lot of automation tools available in the market, like Ansible Puppet Chef for system automation, Terraform CloudFormation for cloud infrastructure automation, Jenkins Octopus Deploy for CI/CD automation, and there are many others to choose from based on your need. Software testing also has to be automated. Any test process like functional, load, performance, databases, network and security, and any other test cases. So Ops team will write automation code for deployment. Testers will write automation code for software testing and sync it with developers' source code. So now we have CI process integrated with deployment automation, which triggers software testing. All three teams and processes integrated together. Continuous delivery process. Have a look. Automate every step and then stitch everything together. that gives you continuous delivery automation.